Well, I'm here first and foremost to participate in a conference that is being put on by CAFA, the Caribbean Public Health Agency, in the Caribbean Tourism Organization, looking at health and tourism policies, looking at how we can protect our tourism industries, make it more sustainable through healthy initiatives. So I'll be making a presentation to them this afternoon. But in addition to that, while I am in Aruba, I thought it fitting to meet with a number of departments and ministries in Aruba because there are lots that we can learn from Aruba. Like Turks and Caicos, the leading sector in Aruba is tourism. And so there's a lot to learn from Aruba and what they're doing in tourism. They had a big boom in tourism industries over the past several years. So I'd love to learn from them, as well as they're leading in the sector of renewable energies. Rising electricity costs is a problem globally. And in Turks and Caicos, that's a big challenge for us and one of the major factors increasing the cost of living. We don't have any alternative energies in our mix in terms of we're strictly all diesel. And so going forward, it's our plan to increase the percentages of renewable energies in our electricity mix. And so I'll be visiting this afternoon your alternative energy sites, such as the wind farm, the solar farm, and later on in the year we'll be meeting again at the Small Island Development States Conference and some more with your ministers here to discuss how we go forward as a region in Turks and Caicos in particular in renewable alternative energies. Aruba was one of the leaders also in social health insurance many years ago with universal coverage, and we have established social health insurance in Turks and Caicos, and actually the Aruba model was some of which we emulated, and we receive assistance from Aruba in implementing our national health insurance plan. And so it'll be very important for me to see where Aruba is now, what challenges they had, how they overcome those challenges, and how we can participate or collaborate in addressing these challenges that we may have in Turks and Caicos. And so I'll be meeting later on with the medical director that's in charge of the program and referrals and overseas treatment, etc. So that we can learn from each other.